Bonjour et bienvenue this other path of success. Je m'appelle Riti. Good morning and welcome to this other path of success. As you know, my name is Riti Arsthana and today we are going to begin with lesson number 19 and today's topic is les verbes avoir. In lesson number 18, we did learn les verbes être, right? We did learn how to say I am, she is, he is, they are, we are, you are, and so on. And today we are going to learn les verbes avoir. Now, before we learn this table, first let me see their uses, that why we use them. So, it have basically two uses. First step, to have. According to the meaning, here also I have written J, that means I have, you have. So, according to the meaning, we are getting to know that it means to show that you have it, right? To have, to show that to have. Then the second usage is to tell age. For example, we tell age in English like I am, and whatever your age is, years old. So if I just translate in French, so the translation must be je suis and then your age, right? But it's wrong. We don't use je suis for telling age. We have to use le verb avoir to tell the age also. For example, J. J means I have. If I see the translation, so it means I have. But I have to use this only for telling the age also. For example, if I say J 14 ans, that means I am 14 years old. Okay, so that is the common meaning. If I just see the translation, so it will become I have 25-year old, so it will look wrong. But this is the rule that we have to follow, and we have to use le verb avoir only to tell the age in French. Okay. Now this is the table. As in the le verb être, in the same way in le verb avoir also, we divide them into singular and plural. Okay, now let's see that how to pronounce I have. How to say I have in French. J. This is the thing that you know. I have told you in the salutation video also. So tell me that why I have put this apostrophe here. We know that for I we use J, right? And for have the main word is A. So it should be written as this, but here I can't see this E, I can't see this E, and I can see an apostrophe here, but so tell me why? Yes, that's correct, because we have learned the rule of apostrophe that when the two vowels are facing each other, when they are together, then we have to cancel the vowel from the first word and put an apostrophe. Right? This was the rule. That's correct. So according to the rule, it becomes J. J means I have. Tu as. Tu as means you have. For example, I want to ask, you have pen? So what I'll say? I'll say tu as stylo. Stylo is used with for pen. So tu as stylo becomes you have pen. And if I put a question mark in the last, so it will become a question. Il a. Il a means he has. For example, I can say he has my number. So how will I say? I'll say Il a, that become he has. My, for my, here I will use mo. Why mo? Because the subject is right. The subject is masculine, that's why. Mo, numeric. That means number. After that, she has. She has is la. Here also their pronunciation are same, but in this one there is a s and in them there is not. But their pronunciation is a. After that, let's come to plural. Do you remember I have told you that in French we have a rule that when we pronounce, so we don't have to break them, we have to say them together, right? Like this. There will be no break. So how will I pronounce it? I will pronounce it as nous avons. Nous avons. That means we have. Vous avez. Vous avez. Vous avez means you have. And here also the same condition. If I am saying you have more than two persons, then I have to say vous avez. And when I have to say you have to singular person, to a single person, then I'll say tu as. Okay, after that, ils ont. Ils ont means they have, used for masculine, for the group of male. Then elles ont, that is used for feminine, right? And I want to tell you one more thing. Like, if they are group of both masculine and feminine, then what will I use? I am repeating myself. If I am having the group of both feminine and masculine and I want to use they have, then what will I say? In the video of pronoun sujet only, I have told you that when I want to talk, when I want to say they to the group of both masculine and feminine, then I'll use il. And in the same way here also I'll use ils ont. So let's repeat them. Repeat after me. Répète avec moi. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Right. Très bien. And if you wish to write them down in your notebook, so you can do it. Now, let's see some sentences using le verb avoir. Okay. See, elle a 25 ans. Elle a 25 ans. 25 I am using for 25. Elle a means she have. But if I see the translation, so I have written she is 25 years old. Why? Because we use le verb avoir for telling it the age. So if I tell age in English, so I use verb être, but in French it will be elle a 25 ans. Okay. Then the second sentence is j'ai ton numéro. J'ai ton numéro. That means I have your number. For I have, we use j'ai, right? Ton. Ton is for your. And numéro means number. After that, il a mon téléphone. Il a mon téléphone. I have told you this example also. but I haven't said telephone, I have said number instead of telephone. That simply means he has my phone. Li is for he has. After that, no javo beko e como. It means we have a lot in common. It's simply the sentence means that some persons are having same qualities and habits. That becomes we have a lot in common. We use this term quite often, and in French it's nous avons beaucoup et como. Beaucoup is for a lot or many, and nous avons is for we have. Last sentence, ils ont une jolie fille. Fille means daughter. Jolie is used for pretty. Une, we have done an indefinite article that it's used for a. Ils ont means they have. So the sentence becomes they have a pretty daughter. Here I am talking about a couple that have a pretty daughter. So they have, here I have used they have for a female, for a feminine, and for a masculine. And when I have to use they for feminine and masculine both, then I'll use il jo. Right? So with this, we have completed le verb avoir. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so do like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell hang button so you will get all the notifications of my channel. Till then, Maxi, bon journey, a bientôt.